careful. Check at the edge. Just check if there's a hole going to this side.
Yeah.
There's a hole going this side? Alright, we'll pass through the cable. Yeah, just pass it through to the other side.
Alright, let me just make
Yeah. Alright, run it through. Young worker over here. Look at that. Young worker. Worker man. Look at that. Young cable technician. Make sure it's not tangled, bro. Here. Here, I'll show. Put it through. Just run in like a few feet, as much, or just like here, and then right now we'll go to the side so you can pull it through. Yeah, just put it out. Yeah, that's fine.
Like that?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the... When the internet sucks, you gotta run your own Ethernet cable. What happened? Just push it out. Just push it out, bro. We'll close it after.
I know, but it doesn't, like, I guess it doesn't go all the way up.
What do you mean it doesn't go all the way up?
Look.
It's because you have to keep going up. That's fine. Just keep going up. Careful, my guy.
I don't know how we did it last time.
There's no like oh look, there's a rope right there, isn't there?
Yeah, but it's not, I don't think it's gonna reach anything.
Yeah. Just drilled a little hole. Right there. Made it easy, it was flat.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Chill, let me pull it all the way. There? That's all of it? Like that. Leave extra right there. Pull it back a little bit. Like a foot. Just. Like that. Fuck it. Got everything. You see where the cables drop right there? Here.
Right here.
Here. They're all right there? All the cables? Here.
Yeah. Every one of them. There's a whole bunch of black ones too. I'm gonna put it inside the hole.
Wait. I'm gonna just leave it right here. Oh shit, we messed up.
Why?
We gotta go around this tube thing.
Put it all the way through the corner, please.
That's fine, bro. Just throw this or some of this at the edge.
Alright, give me.
But untangle it because I'm looking harder. Like that. Just as much as you can that way.
Alright, there you go.
Right here, look.
What happened?
You got it right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put it down, right?
Hold up. Let me go right here. What? Look, right here, look. You see these cables? Drop it. Huh? I'm pulling it. Look, I'm flashing my light. No. Oh, wait. Is it this one? How much do you have up there? Just make sure it's not too like tight. Alright, hold up.
You want me to get down now?